Hi, this is Lori from Siegel Solutions, and I'd like to show you the new feature in QuickBooks Online Bank Transactions area to request information on transactions. There's many times that you're working through your transactions and something is there that you don't know what it's for, or you need a receipt for it. And you can actually send a request for that transaction directly through QuickBooks Online to anyone. They do not necessarily need to be a current user in QuickBooks Online. An email will go out, they can answer it, and it goes right back into your request area. So let me show you how it works. I'm going to go to Bank Transactions, which I've bookmarked already. Or you can go down to My Apps, Accounting, and over to Bank Transactions, and click right next to it to that area to bookmark it because it's an area that you go to frequently. And I'm going to go to my new checking account, and I see a Venmo cash out. We see that so many times that we don't know what it's for, also a PayPal, but a Venmo cash out that I need information on. So I'm actually going to put my check mark next to this, and the next screen pops up. In the past, we saw the first three options of post, edit, and exclude, and now we have the fourth option of request information. So I'm going to click on request information, and I can type in what is this for, and I can either say I need a receipt or asking for information, but that is my message. So I'm going to say asking for info. What's this? And it will type in what is this for? Can you give me more details? And you can type other things in here. And I can either add and post it or put it in my request. I like to put it in my request list and then I can come back to it. So I'm going to add it to my request list. And so the request was added and the link copied to here. So now I can go to my requests. So I can put in all the requests, go through it, and do it as one email to the person. So here's my requests. I have a pending one that still needs to work on. I have that in progress, and I have some that are completed. So I'm going to go to this one that we just created. I'm going to click on it. And I have it that it's going to Lori, and I'm just going to hit send. And this will go out. So I have an email already for the other request to show you what it looks like when it comes in. So it comes in telling you what the request is. When you open the portal, it will open up another screen with the requests. Here's that one for the cash out. I can immediately say, I paid Joe as a contractor. And I'm going to now, I can put an attachment on it, but I can now send it back. And I'm going to refresh this now. It's in progress, so it's right here, saying what it is. For that one, I can mark it now as complete and go back to my bank transactions. But what's really cool is on the bank transactions, that message will show there. And it also will look at what somebody writes in, and it uses the AI to recategorize it. So if you had a vendor named Joe, it would find Joe as your vendor, and it will put it in to the category. So right there, it's complete. I've gone there. I can post it in, and we're all set. Hope that tip helps. Once again, this is Lori Swartz from Siegel Solutions.
As a QuickBooks Solutions provider, Siegel Solutions can offer you QuickBooks Online for 30% discount for the first 12 months. To receive this great offer, just scan the QR code on screen or visit the website below the QR code. Once again, it's an exclusive offer from Siegel Solutions for 30% off of your new subscription of QuickBooks Online for the first 12 months. To learn more about Siegel Solutions and our QuickBooks consulting services, which include cleanups, new file setups, third-party integrations, and we also offer ongoing bookkeeping services, visit our website at www.siegelsolutions.com. You can also email us at info@siegelsolutions.com. And don't forget to follow us on YouTube for more of our tips and tricks videos.